I'll pick them up and pull them toward the warship. Activate mag booster. Looks like that's all we can handle. Wait for it. Now. Release. 4 months away. Boom.
Holy cow! That was awesome!
Well done, Ratchet. Haha! 1 in a million. Let's do it again. Gotcha. Haha. We can pick up a few more. Gotta make another pass. Get ready. Get it. Robots successfully magnetized. Setting course for Blarg warship. Locking on. Release warbots. I believe the warship has sustained critical damage. Yeah, 1 more hit should do it. Got him. Now let's send him back to where he came from. Steady, steady. Now! Warship down. We did it.
Way to go, whoever you are!
All right, everyone, let's give these heroes some breathing room. I'm happy to field all questions on their behalf.
Dallas Wanamaker here. Does this mean you'll be asking these 2 heroes to join the Rangers?
Say what now?
I don't see why not.
And that is how dumb luck helped the rookie Lombax take out a Blargian warship.
That wasn't no dumb luck. He and that robot made a great pair.
That's enough out of you, solitary Bill. Sheesh, you give a guy your pudding cup once, and then you can never get rid of him.
So, what happened next?
Well, Drek didn't take too kindly to having his plan ruined by a Lombax and his robot pal, so he sent Blargian mercenaries to take them out.
You alright, pal?
All systems operational, but we should get back to the Hall of Heroes.
Hey, Ratchet, where'd you go? We're supposed to start your training in a few minutes.
Sorry, Brax. Clank and I ran into a bit of, ship trouble. Looks like there's still a few Blarg in the city.
We must have missed them during our sweep of the perimeter. Brats, you better check the Hall of Heroes and make sure they didn't make it inside.
Cash only. No.
In the meantime, there's a friend not far from your
Incoming
position who
dropship.
can help you out. His name's Al. I was gonna wait until after training to introduce you, but now's as good a time as any. Find him and ask him to upgrade Clank. If he knows it's for the Rangers, he should do it for free.
Is that the holocard guy? Yeah,